Hello guys, welcome to Always Learning. My name is Carlos Recao. In today's video we're going to talk about present continuous. So let's go. Okay guys, let's talk about present continuous. So let's see. So when we talk about present continuous tense, I'm giving classes right now, my mother is working now, the students are paying attention at this moment. So the principal characteristic of present continuous or present progressive is the verb to be and the verb with ing. Now let's see some examples. Is he playing football at the moment? This is present continuous, so no, he isn't. He is running. Let's see another example. What is she doing? The verb is draw. She is drawing a picture at the moment. Okay? So the action, if you can notice, is happening now. We're going to explain in a moment that. So that's what we're going to talk about. What is David doing? At the moment, he's playing football. So we can check here. Now, the actions that are happening at the moment that I am talking, that is one of the use of present continuous tense. For example, they are dancing right now. Another use is, for example, for temporary situations. For example, I can say they normally play tennis, but this week they are skating. Okay, that's temporary situations. The third reason or the third use of present continuous is, for example, changing situations. Yesterday it was very funny. Today, it's raining more and more. Okay? This is a changing situation. And finally, when we talk about future arrangements, okay? For example, they're celebrating a party next week. So this is important. Another important thing that you have to remember about present continuous is the time expressions that we use. Yeah, for example, we can use now, at the moment, today, nowadays, this week. So these are time expressions that help me to know that this action is happening now. For example, they are throwing snowballs now. Okay? So this is action or this activity is happening now. Now this is your exercise, okay? So what are you gonna do? Look at the picture and you're going to describe the picture, okay? What are these people doing right now, okay? So you can write in the comments, please. Write a comment with one example of these ones, okay? So choose any number that you like and write one of example in present continuous. And remember, you need the verb to be with ing. Okay, let's go. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. See you guys.